Anyway, so we set up our landing page. We put $300 into traffic Zest. Okay. Now we got 363 clicks. Okay. We made $123, if you can see that just above my head there, $123, which is pretty okay. I wanted to make our money back because, like, very often, I'm running solo ads right now with other people. Oh, excuse me. Just not through Traffic Zest. So, I am buying traffic and I am always, investing into solo ads. I think investing into solo ads rather than Google ads is a lot better for what I do, as an online marketer. So 300 minus 123 is $177. Okay, so from that $300 I put in, I made 123 in sales.